Students, in the last video, we took the information about affirmative of simple present tense. So in this video, we have to take the information about negative. So we got information about affirmative, and in that video, I had informed you in the next video we should discuss about negative sentence construction. So now simple present tense. So negative sentence construction. Negative. So what is the meaning of negative? Negative, when we have to communicate with any person, and that time we have to give him negative reply. So that time we should use negative sentence construction. Always affirmative is not used in our day-to-day conversation. Okay, so simple present tense, there is particular formula of this sentence construction. So you must make it fair in your notebook. This formula you must make fair in your notebook. So very simple. What is subject, then do or does plus not, then first form of verb, object and remaining part of sentence. So this is the rule. Subject, in the last video I informed, it is identified with the help of who. Who. If you get any difficulty to know the subject who, then do or does. Do or does, you must know it. So just I am informing here. Now look, I will write here. Easily you may see do and then does. Do or does. So do is used with I, we, you, they and plural noun. I am making plural nouns. Do. And does is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. Singular nouns. Just I am writing it for your information. You must note down it. Actually, if I read out, for example, do is used with I, we, you, they and plural nouns, you can understand. But if I write, so that time you may get sufficient time to think, to digest and to use. That is my main motto. Actually, there is no need to write like 5th standard student, 4th standard student on the board. But it is my honest attempt here. It is an honest attempt that you must get each and every concept properly. Does is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. Okay. So now keep it in your mind and then use. After that, not to convey negative sense. Then verb with first form, then object, then remaining part of sentence. Remaining part of sentence. Urvarit bhag. So object is identified or get with the help of what or whom. What or whom. Okay. So now look, I am taking here 9 examples. You must make more examples, then use with your friends. If you get any difficulty, then comment me or send me message. I will try to reply. Okay. For example, I would like to speak. आपण मराठी चित्रपट पाहत नाहीत. Negative sentence. अपन मराठी चित्रपट पाहत नाही. हिंदी, हम मराठी फिल्में नहीं देखते हैं. Try to construct that sentence in your mind and then reply me. Subject, who? We. So we must know subject to use do or does. Subject we, then what should I use here? Do. We do not, negative. Then verb, watch. We do not watch. Object, what? Marathi films, Marathi movies, like this. We do not watch Marathi films. We do not watch Marathi films, Marathi movies. Okay. Next sentence. I would like to say, लता जी गाने नहीं गाती है. या लता जी गाणे गात नाहीत. Try to construct in your mind and then reply me. लता जी गाणे गात नाहीत. Then subject, I am writing it. Who? लता जी, लता मंगेशकर. Singular noun, so I must use here does. Lata ji does not. Lata ji does not. Then verb, लता जी गाने नहीं गाती है. लता जी गाने गात नाहीत. Okay. Sing. लता जी does not sing. Then object, गाने. गाना singular noun, plural songs. Full stop. Lata ji does not sing songs. You can use in the films, in the movies. That is RPS, no doubt. So suppose next sentence. माझे वडील स्मार्टफोन वापरत नाहीत. Try to construct and then reply me. मेरे पिताजी स्मार्टफोन इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं. माझे वडील स्मार्टफोन वापरत नाहीत. Yes. Subject, who? My father. My father, singular noun, so of course does. My father does not use a smartphone. My father does not use a smartphone. Next sentence. तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्रांसोबत इंग्रजी बोलता का? Yes. How would you translate this sentence? तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्रांसोबत इंग्रजी बोलत नाहीत. Like this. बोलत नाहीत. Negative. You do not. You do not talk, speak, communicate. Any verb you can use. You do not talk. You do not use English. You do not talk in English with your friends. Next sentence. आजकाल शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना मारत नाहीत. शिक्षा करणे हा वेगळा, फिजिकल शिक्षा असं नाही म्हणतो, शारीरिक शिक्षा. आजकाल शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना मारत नाहीत. Think in your mind. Go step by step and then tell me. Now I am not talking about a particular teacher. This is my general statement. The teachers, plural. The teachers do not punish. That is different word. Okay, punish. You can give different types of punishments. So it will be very beneficial to get the improvement. But here I am talking about physical punishment. So the teachers do not beat. Beat to whom? Beat the students nowadays. The teachers Do not beat the students nowadays. Get the practice of listening. Okay. Next sentence. तिचा भाऊ पेट्रोल वाया घालवत नाही. तिचा भाऊ पेट्रोल वाया घालवत नाही. Yes. Subject. Who? Her brother. Her brother, singular noun, does not. Her brother does not waste petrol. Her brother does not waste petrol. Okay. Last but one. कोणीही विनाकारण काळजी करत नाही. कोणीही विनाकारण काळजी करत नाही. Yes, think in your mind and reply me. कोणीही, anyone, anybody. So that is singular subject. Anybody does not worry without any reason. Anybody does not worry without any reason. Last sentence. लोक सांभाळून गाडी चालवत नाही. लोक सांभाळून गाडी चालवत नाहीत. यस, हिंदी. लोग संभाल के गाड़ी नहीं चलाते हैं. लोग संभाल के गाड़ी नहीं चलाते. यस. People do not drive. People do not drive the bikes safely. People do not drive the bikes safely. So try to make the sentences, and if you get any difficulty, reply me. Okay, my friends. Thank you.